Here comes my friends, Ronnie and Eddie. They're on 92 SD40-2s. And tonight, the number is 3392. That is Sharon. Yeah, that's Sharon. Yeah. Holy moly, there's an ambulance coming. there's Kiamichi Freddy. There they go on their way to Valiant. Hope y'all like this video, everyone. Don't forget to comment and subscribe if you haven't already, and support my channel. Whoop. Live action here on the KRR, known as the Kiamichi Railroad. They're heading westbound. They're gonna probably be in Hugo at least around 3 o'clock. So there they go on their way to Hugo. And first, I got to stop off in Valiant to meet up with the local and do the crew change, which the local is going to be the crew change for my friends on the East Run going to Hugo. So, if you like this video, everyone, share, comment, subscribe, support my channel, and also do not be parking on the tracks. Do not be getting too close. You know, just in case something does happen. You have time to get out of the way of a moving car if it breaks apart. So always do not park right. Always park away from the crossing gates, just in case if something happens. At least your front end will not get knocked off from a runaway car or something. That's not what you want. But almost every car is expected on the on any railroad. But the thing is always to make sure just don't block the intersection, just in case a train comes or anything, and stuff like that, and keep it unblocked. Yeah, stuff like that. The law enforcement, I don't know. I don't know. They did. I don't know. I'm not gonna say anything about them running the crossing because it was an emergency. So, and that I thank my friends for slowing down and letting them go across the crossing when it was going off, stuff like that. Well, if you like this video, share, like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Marshall out. Thanks for watching. I want to film the Queen Eastern Railroad. I'm not gonna be working tomorrow, so yeah, I want to spend half the night out. So, like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll see you later. Marshall out. Thanks for watching. See you next time, my fans.